Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python Tutorial, Counting Dictionary Keys. Introduction. Dictionaries in Python are versatile data structures that allow you to store and retrieve data using key-value pairs. Occasionally, you may need to count the number of unique keys present in a dictionary. In this tutorial, we will explore different methods to count dictionary keys in Python with code examples. Method 1, using len and keys method. Method 2, using len and dictionary comprehension. Method 3, using len and list comprehension. Explanation. Method 1 utilizes the built-in len function along with the keys method of the dictionary to directly obtain the count of keys. Method 2 uses a dictionary comprehension to create a set of keys and then calculates the length of that set using the len function. Method 3 employs a list comprehension to create a list of keys and then calculates the length of that list using the len function. Each method achieves the same result, but the choice of method depends on personal preference and specific use cases. These examples provide flexibility in counting dictionary keys, allowing you to choose the approach that fits your coding style and requirements. ChatGPT.